Mheshimiwa Rais.
Orere fururi wetereire kuhitithio kwa mutongoria wa fururi Uhuru Kenyatta muthenya wa keri kiumia turorete. Atongoria kaunti-ini ya Kiambu matongoretio ni Governor Ferdinand Waititu ni mokirire itua ria ngwataniro ya NASA ria kwenda kuhitithia mutongoria wa Raila Odinga.
Sasa miaka imeenda.
Atongoria aya maugite ni kihakuona ona thengia ya fururi kuhuthira ihinda inene kambeni-ini. Atongoria acio no marenda guthararia thayo wa fururi.
Sisi hatutakubali mtu yoyote apewe kiti yoyote ya uongozi kama sio kwa kupigiwa kura. Na hiyo it must be very very clear to the former Prime Minister Mr. Raila Odinga and his comrades in NASA that there is no one time that anybody will be a leader in this country if he has not been voted through democratic means, because that is what our constitution says and we shall stand by it all through.
Oho ni maugite mekuhuthira njira o yothe niguo kugitira katiba ya fururi iria ngwataniro yo ithiite na mbere na kwagira kiene.
Any single person who thinks that he can take that opportunity to either play any games with the law or have side meetings to disrupt a national function or in the future try to subvert the constitution must be dealt with firmly, no matter who his name is or where they come from.
Munene wake mutumia wa mutongoria wa mbere wa fururi Mama Ngina Kenyatta ni uritie a Kenya manyitane na mahujie thayo niguo gutwarithia fururi uyu na mbere gutari ngahiga o ciothe.
Uringe muria tarorere ni muthie na mbere orona inywe kwenda fururi wanyu. Mundu hari ari agakoragwo ena bata na ruriri rwake na bata na fururi na kuiga thayo, tondu gutari na thayo gutari na urumwe gutire na undu orona umwe tungihota gwika na tutire na uthii wa na mbere tungihota guthii na mbere naguo.
Atongoria aya mararagia mwena wa Kiambu mathiko-ini ma uria wari mutumia wa gatano wa Shifo Bio Koinange. Ngiribotira Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mwihaki wa Kamau.